Hi, Katrina Deist-Zemar here at 1497 West Page, wrapping up the end of the open house here. We've been here since 11. Oh, it's been a busy day. We have a beautiful 1,500 square foot home here, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 2 car garage, approximately 1,500 square feet. I'm gonna get out of the way and show you around. The house has been recently painted. When I say recently, I mean last week. The exterior, I should say. And we're in a lovely neighborhood close to a park. I'm gonna go in. There are people here attending the open house, so I don't know what I'm gonna see when I open this door. There we go, there we go. We have Courtney with Bell Mortgage. And this is the living area, and I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Once again, this is Katrina, Realty One Group. Hope you'll stop by. We have 1 hour. Call me for directions. Bye.